Alright, this is what happens when I get in the car. Gotta turn off this alarm. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to show you what I did, but that's what I did. Turn it off. Alright, we'll see if this works. Took a while to take this out. We'll see if it works. Morning. Oh, the alarm is still on. Shit. It's still on. Actually, it came with a pick here. I didn't see that. This is your pick. Nice. Let's see if I can take this off. Thank you, L.E.Gidios, hope I pronounced it right, for taking this anti-theft car alarm. This guy told me this city. So they gave me a good, I think it's a reasonable price.